Hello Math 152 students. In this video, we'll take a look at your first project and a couple details on submission links and how to navigate the group page. So if you'll notice, we are in the Assignments tab, so make sure you're clicked on the Assignments and scroll down. You should see the Linear Regression Project folder appear, and let's click on that. In this folder, you have 3 documents: the project description, the rubric, and the topic approval form. The other thing we have here is the Regression Project Groups page. So what I would like for you to do first is make sure you read through each of these carefully. The project description and the project rubric are where you should start, and then as you are brainstorming topics with your group, you'll go back and fill this topic approval form afterwards and submit it with your group. So let's take a look at the Linear Regression Project and the group page. So one of the reasons I'm in a slightly different mode, the instructor mode, is to show you what your groups would look like. I'm not enrolled in a group, so if I do the student view, it doesn't let you see anything here. But when you click the project groups page, I believe you should just see the group that you're enrolled in. Notice it tells me I'm not enrolled in any of these, but I'm just going to click on group 1 to show you your groups page. What you'll see here is the group members in your group. Each group has 3 or 4 group members. You should be able to, from this page, send everybody an email. You have a file exchange where you can upload files. You also have your own group discussion board. I've left things like a group blog, group journal, group tasks that you probably don't need. The 3 biggest tools I would recommend using are the email, the discussion board, and the file exchange. Some groups find that they work better just sending group emails so that everybody sees those alerts rather than using the discussion board. That's totally fine. You can also attach files in the email or use the file exchange here. The important thing to note within your group is the group assignments. Your group will submit one topic approval form together using this link. So when you click this link, if one group member does it, it will submit for everybody. So it's linked up. And then when you get ready to submit your project, you'll have a second group assignment under this group assignment tab. Alright guys, so that should be enough to get you started. You have the description, rubric, approval form, and then your groups page to check out. I would recommend going ahead and emailing your group, get that started this week, because your topic approval form is due next Wednesday. So that will give you 1 week to discuss the project, throw around some topic ideas, get approval on the topic as soon as you submit those forms next Wednesday, and then start gathering data after that approval. Alright guys, so as always, let me know what questions you have.